What if I told you time isn't honest? Its true nature is far stranger. Time isn't constant. It bends and stretches depending on where you are. Einstein proved this, and today scientists can measure time actually slowing down. Place two clocks side by side, raise one slightly, and they disagree. Lifting a clock makes it run faster because it feels less gravity. Your head ages faster than your feet. Airplane passengers age slightly quicker. Move faster or approach strong gravity, and your time slows even more. Near a black hole, 1 hour for you could equal centuries on Earth. It sounds unreal, but it's true physics, proven by real experiments. High-speed travel slows aging. The faster you move, the slower you age. This is the twin paradox. One twin travels and returns far younger. Time doesn't flow like a river. It bends, just like light. Time is part of a four-dimensional structure we call spacetime. Space shapes motion, and matter shapes how quickly time flows around it. But here's the twist. Time might not even be truly fundamental. At the quantum level, events don't always follow a clear order. Some interactions occur before, after, or even without a definite sequence. Time may only appear when many particles interact together. Some physicists think time is an illusion, shaped by how we see change. Humans once measured time with shadows, not with scientific precision. Mechanical time is our invention. Universal time doesn't tick uniformly. Every part of the universe experiences time differently based on gravity. No two clocks anywhere in the universe ever match perfectly. Even your body keeps time differently. Your heartbeat is its own clock. When you're scared, your brain stretches moments to help you survive. It collects more details, making seconds feel longer than they are. But that's perception, not physics. Time itself doesn't slow down. Time in physics and time in consciousness are very different ideas. Some theories suggest every moment exists at once in a cosmic block. Past, present, and future may already exist without any real flow. We sense flow because our consciousness moves through the timeline. The brain takes snapshots of reality and turns them into a movie. In physics, the future might already exist, waiting to be reached. You can't reach it unless you travel differently through spacetime. Speed is one method. The faster you go, the slower you experience time. A fast traveler could return to a future they never lived through. As you near light speed, your minutes become centuries outside. But you can never reach light speed. It requires infinite energy. Einstein's equations still hold strong and continue to pass every test. Atomic clocks worldwide confirm relativity with perfect accuracy each day. GPS only works because scientists correct for time distortion in orbit. Without these corrections, navigation apps would be wildly inaccurate. Your smartphone literally depends on warped time to guide you. And then there's dark energy, stretching space-time across the cosmos. It accelerates the universe's expansion faster than ever observed. This means the future is expanding more quickly than the past. Time might be linked directly to the universe's accelerating growth. But quantum physics introduces even stranger possibilities. Particles can influence one another instantly, ignoring distance and time. This raises the question, is time even a real physical thing? Some theories suggest time branches endlessly into multiple futures. Every decision might create a new timeline with new outcomes. There could be countless versions of you living different realities. But in our universe, time's arrow still points forward. That's because entropy always increases, creating direction. Things naturally break down, spread out, and become more disordered. The universe began in low entropy and expands towards higher entropy. That's why we remember the past, but can't remember the future. In the end, time isn't fixed or absolute. It's deeply flexible. Time is a cosmic illusion shaped by speed, gravity, and the expanding universe.